Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be learning how to do disaster on a skateboard. So there's a front side disaster and a back side disaster. I'm goofy foot, so if I were doing it this way, it would be a backside disaster. So what you do for a disaster is you roll up the ramp, and before you get to the top, you can either do a little ollie, hit the tail right there, and pop it up, spin it in the air, land in the middle like that with some balance on your back foot and your front foot, and then you push down on the nose and roll down like that. Or another way, which I like to do, is you go up, you just lift the front wheels over the coping, and then you let these back wheels just bonk off of the coping, boom, like that. And then right when you get in the air, whenever the board gets in the air, it spins without any friction or resistance. So you just wait until it gets in the air and then give it a little spin with your body. Land on it like that. Nice solid landing, balance. Then push your front foot there and roll back down. And it happens pretty fast. A couple things that tripped me up a lot at the beginning were going out hitting the coping and not fully getting in the air before I tried to spin. So if you do that, your back trucks will just land right there on the coping like that. And then there's the front side disaster. So for me, being goofy foot, would be the opposite way. You go up, bonk, spin, land like that, push your foot down. The front side disaster is easier, at least it was for me, so it probably will be for you too. But I encourage you to try this trick. It's really fun. Do it on a mini ramp to start. The steeper the ramp is, the more difficult it is, because you'll have to push harder on your nose, or simply either think about pushing on your nose or just lifting up your back foot as you come down. So as you shift your weight and rock, the tail should come up like that. Otherwise it might hang up, and that's not as fun. So I'm demonstrating a few of these. Took a little while to learn, but anyone can do it if you're dedicated. So good luck learning those disasters.